Introducing the Horizon Ultra, the newest addition to XGIMI's impressive lineup of projectors. This groundbreaking projector is hailed as the first of its kind, boasting 4K capabilities and Dolby Vision technology. In my opinion, it is the epitome of excellence in long-throw projectors. And in this video, I will demonstrate its unparalleled performance. Let us delve deeper into its features. As we begin, let's take a look at what is included in the package. A large power adapter and plug, a user manual, and a remote control. Speaking of the remote control, I must mention that it is one of the finest designs I've seen in a cinema home projector remote. Made of metal, it is durable and substantial. Additionally, it is equipped with Google Voice Assistant. To change the batteries, simply press the designated button to release the battery compartment and then snap it back into place. This design is quite impressive. However, it is worth noting that the remote lacks a dedicated mute button, which I do tend to use frequently. It also does not have specific buttons for popular streaming apps such as Disney+, YouTube, and Amazon Prime. Furthermore, the Android TV version of this projector does not come with Netflix pre-installed. Unfortunately, this is a common issue with the majority of projectors on the market. However, a detailed guide on how to install Netflix through a third-party downloader app is provided, which can easily be downloaded via Google Play. Keep in mind that using Netflix on Android TV will result in a desktop version rather than a dedicated app. Without further ado, let's explore the sleek design of this projector. It is undeniably one of the most aesthetically pleasing designs I have come across for a home cinema projector. This model boasts a blend of eco-friendly fabric and leather materials in light tones, making it a perfect fit for any home decor. On the back, you will find a variety of connectivity options, including a DC input, LAN input, 2 USB ports, 2 HDMI ports, an optical port for connecting to a soundbar, an audio jack, and a power button. Additionally, the bottom of the projector features a 1/4 20-inch thread for easy mounting on a plate or tripod. Now let's discuss the impressive 3D ToF sensor and primary specifications and features. As previously stated, this projector is native 4K with Dolby Vision, providing an unparalleled theater experience with exceptional brightness, color accuracy, and image quality. It also boasts 2300 ISO lumens, which offers ultra-high brightness and lifelike colors for a remarkable viewing experience day or night. Another standout feature of this projector is its dual light technology, utilizing both LED and laser technology. This combination delivers unmatched color accuracy, brightness, and color gamut for an unforgettable visual experience. It's worth noting that it's not common to find long-throw projectors that utilize both LED and laser technology, making this model a top choice for those seeking a dedicated laser projector for their home cinema setup. In the following demonstration videos, you'll witness the impressive capabilities of this projector firsthand. It's clear that the Horizon Ultra is as close as you can get to a dedicated laser projector when it comes to long-throw home cinema projectors. This includes the latest Intelligent Screen Adaptation 3, an upgraded ISO technology that seamlessly optimizes the projector's environmental adaptability. It boasts features such as automatic keystone and focus, auto screen alignment, and intelligent obstacle avoidance. This is especially useful for eliminating projection disruptions caused by physical objects, as the projector automatically realigns to avoid these obstacles. Additionally, the projector offers wall color adjustment, which accurately adjusts color, exposure, and brightness to provide the best viewing experience regardless of your wall or screen color. The projector also features lossless optical zoom, allowing you to increase the projection size without compromising quality. In terms of visual settings, the projector offers dynamic color adjustments for various lighting conditions, ensuring an immersive viewing experience in any environment. And that's not all. It comes equipped with dual 12-watt Harman Kardon speakers and leverages DTS Studio and Dolby Audio sound technology to deliver incredible 3-dimensional surround sound. Now let's power on the projector. I have paired it with my Vivid Storm 100-inch floor-rising ALR screen to fully utilize the dual light technology in the Horizon Ultra. As you can see, even with a lot of natural light in the room and using a gray ALR screen, the image is still clear. Before we play any demo videos, I want to highlight some of the settings. The projector automatically adjusts the brightness and color based on the screen color, making the image much clearer on a dark gray screen like this. However, you also have the option to manually adjust the settings for the best results. Under the settings menu, you can access features such as keystone correction, which can be set to automatically adjust, or you can make minor adjustments yourself for the best result. The optical zoom feature is also worth mentioning. It offers lossless zoom capabilities and can be adjusted up to 100% for maximum flexibility. When the projector enters the white areas, it automatically shifts to digital zoom, allowing you to further decrease the size depending on its placement in your home. This provides the reassurance that it will zoom to the appropriate level to fit perfectly on the desired space, wall, or screen for your viewing needs. Observe how compact it can go, and by sliding back, it will seamlessly switch back to optical zoom once it enters the orange zone, ultimately reaching the maximum projection size from the starting point. As you gaze upon the breathtaking scene before you, the brilliance of the colors is unmistakable. It's a natural explosion of vibrancy and clarity, the kind that can only be achieved with the revolutionary dual light technology integrated into this projector. In fact, it's as close as you can get to the impressive 4K single laser UST projectors. This isn't just any ordinary device you can pick up on Amazon, lost among the generic long-throw projectors that flood the market. No, this is something truly special. It may fall within the modest price range of $16,999, but make no mistake, this projector exudes a luxury that surpasses its cost. Compared to the extravagant $3,000 to $4,000 projectors, this mid-level gem is practically a steal. And the quality? It's unparalleled, whether it's daytime or the depths of darkness. Its features are impressive too, especially with the inclusion of Dolby Vision and the exceptional audio performance of the Harman Kardon speakers. That's it, the Horizon Ultra by XGIMI. This outstanding 4K long-throw projector has captured my heart, and it will surely captivate yours too. Check out the link in the description or pinned comment to buy this product from Amazon that will help me earn some commission without any extra cost to you. You won't find a better deal for a home cinema theater experience than this stunning piece of technology. Trust me, you won't be disappointed with the unrivaled quality you'll get from the Horizon Ultra. If there are any additional inquiries you may have, kindly leave them in the comments section below. Don't forget to subscribe. My channel features comprehensive reviews on projectors and various tech-related topics. New videos are released every week. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next one. Stay well.